Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Glo-Mary, and on this channel, I talk about everything beauty. So, if you are just joining, we are very lovely people in this community. So, you want to join us, kindly subscribe and join the family, okay? You already know that my product review used to be very concise and short, detailed, and very, very useful. So, in this video, I'm going to be reviewing butterfly shadow okay, doesn't have freeze on it. Butterfly shadow spray. uh this shadow is doing like a reflector. Oh, that's nice. So this is supposed to be a very holding spray for your hair. Actually, I got this product when I was looking for God to be to install my client's hair. At that time I could not afford got to be, because it just got extremely expensive at the time. And then my what's her name, my vendor suggests that I use this, and that was when I tried it. So I'm going to be telling you the pros and cons of this product, how you can use it to get a better result, and things you should not try. Stay with me. So basically, you can think of this product as a spray gel, but it is a spray, so it gets dry quickly. It is a spray, so it's like a freeze spray. All right. So if you have natural hair and you don't want to use gel, and you think of something you can just spray quickly and it will dry quickly, but mind you, it's going to dry your hair. So note. But you can actually use it, like I've used it for, you can use it for ponytail, not just natural hair, relaxed hair. You can use it for ponytails. You can use it for, your natural hair, your slick down. Very, very useful actually. But don't use too much. You don't want your hair to dry. That's tip number one. Number two, to get a better result from this spray when you are installing your frontal, you have to use a lot. Yes, I can say this anyway. You have to use a lot if you want that hair to hold, for more than a day, 2 3 4 a week. Sometimes, people can carry their frontal for that long, sometimes months. But if you don't want your frontal to lift easily, when you sweat and all that, you have to use a lot. And I mean, like, be generous with it when you are spraying for your clients or for yourself, because it's not like got to be where you just use like little and you're good to go. This one, if you just use a little, your frontal or whatever is going to lift in no time. But if you put a lot, hmm, you will have to go and pray before the thing will come off. Okay. I'm not even joking, actually. So yeah, don't judge me. I did a funny thing where I used this spray as a makeup finishing spray on my face, so not on the client's face, please. And yes, we do this thing where we share a Bible verse in every long form video, just in case anybody needs a hand of encouragement and hope. And yes, guys, here is the verse of the day. So yeah, it actually worked, because it is glue at the end of the day. It worked a little, but my face got very itchy. So I would not advise that you try that. I really hope you find this video helpful. I don't really have like a lot to say. Okay, how much did I got this? I got this product for, I purchased this product for, it wasn't up to 5,000 naira at the time, or 7,000. It wasn't I can't remember because it's been long. I've used this product for like a year or two. Yeah, I think I got it last year. Yes, I got it last year. So I can't remember how much I purchased it, honestly. But it is around 5,000 to 7,000. I don't even know how much they're selling it right now. Okay, I will not lie. Let me not say what I don't know. So yeah, I think that will be all for today. Do well to check out my other videos, my other review videos. You find them interesting. Let me know if I'm leaving anything out in this video. Please kindly tell me in the comment section so that I can include it in my description or somewhere, or in the comments. Just please remind me if I'm missing anything. And I'll make sure that I see you in my next one. You guys know I love you. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.